Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull here once again to update you guys on the greatest and latest news and rumors of the crypto world. Let's get right into it, guys. Well, this video is for you Solana holders with the ticker SOL. Well, guys, just found this cool little article I want to share with you guys. Can Solana drop under $100 in September? That is the question. Historically speaking, September is bearish for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in general. That's why they call it Rectember. But I'll give my thoughts at the end of the video. But let's get into the article first, and then I'll get into my thoughts. So the article says, Solana price has lost support and closed multiple daily candles below the 200-day EMA for the first time since September 2023. Solana SOL price closed its second worst weekly return of 2024, about 19.14% at the end of August. Previously, its largest negative weekly return of investment of 25.19% took place a month prior in July. So Solana's open interest rises 20% as funding rates return negative. With SOL witnessing a negative spot net flow of $100 million in August, the derivatives market is currently taking charge of the price action. Last week, Solana's open interest dropped 12% in 24 hours after prices dropped under 150 bucks. Since then, prices have dropped another 14%, but open interest has risen about 20% in the market. A rise in open interest during a market drawdown indicates aggressive short selling from futures traders. A negative funding rate further confirms bearish bias. This metric has remained negative for the past week, its longest stretch since October 2023. The current funding rate of negative 0.001 is the lowest of 2024. Also, SOL's weekly DEX volume drops to a 6-month low. Declining on-chain activity has been playing out on Solana over the past month, with euphoria around meme coins relatively fading out. Data from Dune Analytics illustrated a $7.7 billion weekly DEX volume last week, which is a 6-month low for the ecosystem. Wow, look at that, 7.7 billion a week, and that's the 6-month low. That's still pretty good if you ask me. In March, Solana's daily DEX volume was 50% more than Ethereum's, and its 24-hour trading volume regularly crossed $3 billion. Sol BTC chart looks horrid, says analyst. Solana and Bitcoin have demonstrated a rising correlation in 2024, which allowed the altcoin to outperform Bitcoin during Q1 of 2024. With markets moving sideways and lower over the past few weeks, this correlation has remained, which means the altcoin experienced larger drawdowns than Bitcoin. Blunt's Capital, an independent trader, indicates that Sol BTC is possibly heading towards another leg down. So yeah, what do you guys think? Is Sol headed for another leg down, or are we just gonna bounce? Well, let's keep going, see what it says. Solana price faces critical test at 127. Oh, by the way, the current price at the time of recording for SOL is $133 right now. So it says, Solana price faces critical test at $127. Before a retest of $100, the closest major support level is near $127. Since April, Solana has briefly dropped below $120 6 times, but in each occasion, the altcoin managed to close a daily candle above 127, which is also the lower limit of an accumulation zone. The difference this time around is SOL has lost support from the 200-day EMA indicator. Let's take a look at this chart right here, guys. Hopefully it's big enough where you guys can see it. So here's the chart right here of Solana. Looks like we just lost the 200-day EMA, and we're right at 133, and so we're right at the support. Here's the support line at 127 right here, and then if we lose that, the next one would be 100, guys. See all the support right here in about 100, But yeah, so yeah, hopefully we don't lose the 127 support. But I don't think we'll get to 100, guys. But I'll give you more of my thoughts here in a little bit. Earlier, while closing above 127, it also registered a daily close above the 200-day EMA. SOL has closed for multiple days below the EMA level for the first time since September 2023, further emphasizing the chart's bearish structure. If Solana loses 127, the immediate target is 110, which will be a liquidity sweep for the altcoin. A pullback from $110 would be ideal here. A pullback from $110 would be ideal here, would be ideal for the bulls. However, if September becomes a prolonged bearish period for the market, SOL could potentially retest the demand zone between $98 and $104. The worst case scenario for SOL would be a $100 retest, which would be a 22% correction and a new lower low for the altcoin. Therefore, if Bitcoin drives a bullish quarter four, Solana price should not drop below $100 in September. Well, what do you guys think, guys? Is Solana gonna drop under $100 in Rectember, like they call it? Well, guys, if you ask me, I don't think it'll go under $100. I do believe it might double bottom the $110 price. That's the local low I made on Black Monday, August 5th. So it might like sweep that low or get pretty close to it, $110. But I don't think it'll go under $100, guys. So if you're holding SOL like I am, guys, I mean, don't worry. I mean, if you bought it, close to the lows around $8, you're still in the green anyways. And remember last cycle, guys, Solana, and made a local high, I think, of about $50, if I remember correctly. Or it was like $40, I think. And then it had an 80% correction to about $5, guys. And then it mooned in the parabolic bull run all the way to $250. So I mean, we're not even close to 80% correction. I mean, I believe the local high of Solana was about 200, like 210, 220, right around there, if my memory serves me. And it's it's corrected as low as 110 on Black Monday. So I mean, it's only done like a 50% correction this time. It's pretty bullish. Yeah, in my opinion, guys, don't sell your Solana. Don't get shaken out of the market. Don't get bearish on Solana. I think it's going to moon here pretty soon once BTC goes parabolic, guys. And all the altcoins in Solana will too. Well, guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think of the article. Also, guys, just a reminder, please like the video. Help the channel grow by subscribing to the channel, guys. And also, I'll see you in the next video.